for the pickup times in Lolombu, the Valilevu, Dabulevu, and Nasese. Aktobo motin pakatalaki na bibo nondin ni ba ron subikir na kan na bugin rakibisaw. Dono magiti ko en ngonongo. Ya so na do bakawal ta tunon de tutubi na ngonongo. And the senga seranga ni bi ambiuta no de tutubi. Watakira non de lolo.
Best friends nga en nakatala bi bala.
And no and demis.
And good morning to everyone tuning in this beautiful morning. Yes, as we are discussing nambat-nambatango and ako tamay na soer na kamera ribrimbitu na belisili. It takes a couple of minutes before you jump into the shower. Ngada. Kaya kaya gusto kaya mata-mata na tip ngo.
May.
Lako nga ni bukan tu azur nga ni tola na shower. Banga ba ya? It will go away.
Ngor na fos.
Sige fos. Ndo na ngoni sala ni no muborota ra boleta nambata na kanko chinga no mubakasama.
Right.
So na kayo na ka positive burata lakngani sili. Tola mana sili.
Lakngani tolo kori bosu pati bani.
Ndo na kayo ko bakla bakatel to kata-katel to no way. And then mata-mata ti kunan raki.
But this one used the syringe.
Syringe
Mama tali. Driver ni minibus now sorry Korowo to the LM79 to Misikana and also LM482 by Isaiah. Good morning to the both the LM and all the LM Suba no sorry say Suba Korowo Suba Western from Eastern. Everywhere you go we are listening this morning to also to the Mbarara Valley Road Singatoka. Bulbenaka to Sister Domonico Sabiana Kanade. John Kumar Dreus Bulbenaka, good morning to you and the family joining this morning.
Delaiba nasiba yan na kakapani.
Wale.
Yan na my sister.
We keep it to all the students going to school this morning. We say to you all. Whatever, wrong. Yeah, still going on.
Yes, still going on. Media examination. Still going on today. Tigna target. So in order for you to reach that target, we hope that you have been doing your studies. You have been listening to your teachers well and listening to their advice.
Right.
Baleta yanga and abibu kebikianta bakatalakina. Nanonda porong may bale nana batakitata. This is a very important one. You have to listen to mommy and daddy so that everything can be smooth. Kaya din ang bulang ko sasanga to ko.
Lena Sombalavu.
Yan benaka. Na itabi kaya dong karaban na burung ko. And totoga tu kaya if you listen to mom and dad.
LT1230 the dad, the captain of the team in Ingyobeshi from Nangali. Netasiri to Dams LT1230 and the family joining this morning.
Black
everybody.
Right.
To Simeli Nimatawalu brother and Rabenaka. And also to everyone joining this morning. It's a very tough windy.
Yes.
So it's a very colder. And today it's very hard to wake up because the weather is
Tamayrusi yan Rabenaka. Tamayrusi is also tuning in this morning.
Oh. Hakwananro.
Di mo borong mayo mudo. Kaya doon ako dia.
Kondita ba?
Good morning to the family from Topuningyo to the Wira family.
Right.
Joining this morning, especially to the guests.
They must. Right.
Okay, yesterday all the vendors at the supermarket.
Yes.
There's a group there. Who had their fun day yesterday. I went there with the team. Eleanor, Meliki, Bill, Mark was there, and this gang drank ngona midday yesterday. Sabango.
See?
Na champion na mbele chichiburtu.
Sangay rongo din na ulumban.
Sabango sayawa. But they had fun yesterday with the vendors.
Yes. So happy and we appreciate all that you do. To all the market vendors, to the Mbara boys, to the cookers. Thank you so much for providing us, especially to the market vendors, with fresh fruits and vegetables.
All right.
Nutritious fruits and vegetables.
Healthy.
Green leafy vegetables. Toto kabawati ke mbabinaka. Baleta kebakasingo kemuni. A lot of us won't be eating this delicious, nutritious fruits and vegetables and root crops.
All right.
I will say good morning to this one in Lolombu, to Nemele, and now from Moinrandra Nabua, and Momo Chute and the family from Lolombu joining this morning.
Okay, so this morning our Talano fun will be based on the colors of our hair.
Right.
The best was asking Eleanor, how come her hair is really dark, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Dems, the process and the yado, and the Vesukin and Ronilo from black to white.
Right.
Nada yado. Behind the scene.
Behind the scene.
Right.
Depend on the genetic DNA that
Right.
cross the hemoglobin in the cell of the membrane.
Right.
Yeah.
All right.
It's some people you can run from it.
Right.
Serendron yon rota ni mekina. Because some it's in our gene. Just like this. Kasi we can dapat kaya daw sa kinakawa ngamin daw
Yeah.
Sa mo fa sendron nindan ro mekina. So some tutulungan na bulan ni ulunra.
Part of
But
aging,
some,
yeah?
part of our life too.
Right.
Some, they hardly. Some can grow early, the beard. Some no, baka may kuminreli.
Right.
Daun renre, sali ang baki wasa nga bulu, tolso
Yeah.
nga bulu, siyempre nga nitumbo binaka kumi.
Right.
Depending on the genetic on which group you are. So, the hair, depending to the hair due to the white, depending some they Vaseline. Mbor Vaseline ngoni some people they say that cause whitey too.
Yeah.
Stress is one.
I'm coming.
Yes.
Some, yeah. Some due to more thinker you are.
Right.
Lebu na ka
Right.
kubasa mataka.
Right.
Some due to stress
Right.
that carry you to that situation
Yeah.
of life to become our. Some they are coming to the end of life. Sa ling
Aging.
gasingamay.
Right.
Sa ling gasingamay sa
Yeah.
bula-bula may naulu.
Right.
That caused them to become away.
Right.
Yeah.
But some, when their hairs are white, they want it to be black again.
Right. So they die.
What's
Why?
wrong with that?
Why?
Some
Yeah.
people can run out from spoil,
Right.
especially to the tabale,
Right.
to the wifey. Ni sabas spoil ta tunga na bulangan ko sambiu. Even though you are joking, some people they swallow that joke that become a reality because sometimes when people are there, you are not admirable the one you chose for the first time. Admirable for the people around.
Oi,
Right.
they swallow.
Iya,
Yeah.
they swallow. Sa baka militilo matalitu na biwalia.
Right.
Baka misalida
Yeah.
sa baka ko baka saririda ti ko may.
Right.
Yeah.
Sa baka sa singin sa ngasi.
Yeah.
Ni dabu ti ko maya mo no ti ko the world is alive.
Right.
Na mo sembula.
Right.
Ni ko dabu ti ko maya, hindi dabu ti mo biwali. Think.
Yeah.
Baka sa mata ka pamalu. One day nakakutuko na yan naman.
Hindi na Sara.
Eh?
Yeah.
So never play around with words.
Do you have the white hair within you, the Messi?
Sa baka melori me pamalu na bule-ule.
Yes,
Hidden.
For the past few weeks, the Messi asked me to check his
Wait here.
the body.
Oi.
And
Yeah.
the white hair
Yeah.
come from the back.
Ang sorry na may pakamalu, I see the white hair growing in my head. I see the white hair growing in my beard. But I love it.
Right.
I love the
You
change
will
that
embrace
coming.
it.
Yeah.
You will embrace that white hair.
Yeah.
If it comes, don't dye your hair.
Don't.
Appreciate.
Appreciate.
Right.
Okay, listeners, if you
that's
yeah.
different development of that's different stages of
need
development.
Of life, eh?
Yes, of
If
life
you-
of a
if you-
human being.
If you happen to see the
Yan,
Messi
ani development
or
mo,
meet
nalibu
him
sa nalilu.
in
Right.
town, just check his bag.
Right.
A chicken number ni Baba Lolo.
Baba, meron na kuskus. It's some people now, I remember some people in the age of 50s, they want to, baka may bulan-bulan tayo, because awa kaya,
Yeah.
doon naulunda, naulunda, was na rusa, miyon na rin kaya masi.
Right.
Naulunda, it show our face.
Right.
Naulunda, nambulan na kanda hindi rin ito kay ulunda.
Don't binaka.
If the hair is blackness, barita ka ni kung bulang-bulang. Ano siya lang bulang kaya kusapa ta kilasan ano kusapa ka wala yung kasi.
Iya, hindi na.
Eh,
But some people,
Yeah.
they
Match.
look really nice
Yeah.
when they have white hair.
Yeah.
They look different, eh?
Yeah. Do you see the Messi in a few years' time with white hair?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Dems?
Sana bitang pagminggo?
Yeah. Very fast. Very fast coming.
Siya ko pamalua.
Why?
Growing of the white hair depending on what you think of.
Yes.
Sa atos talaga na
Because you are a
baki.
thinker. You are a thinker.
Yeah, I think for the future.
Yeah. when you think a lot about the future,
Yeah.
the white hair too will think about you.
Okay, na bungo sana skoki na bekim na kada na bakane yalo da sara na Shaolin Temple. Skoli na bodo bodo ni mata.
Bodo ni mata na may siro man na pom-pom.
Si Romando may kaya pom-pom.
Uti-uti talaga ni nga na mong kay Facebook kin. Ano bang karabi kinunde Messi? Kung sa karo kay mokil sa mulo tulo man ibikaw.
Kalau kin tu na bika todo ko.
Kabura kira auspala niya.
Siya ka talaga resign. Direct top up sa ko. Pali Masi Amelia Bulbinak. Pini marama.
Yan Rabinaka
Eh, pala,
John Kumar. Yan
Pali man na bata-bata may keri. Ndo na ka bata-bata sa tungkol man ni studio ngo.
Iya. Ati ko Robin marama.
Iya.
Marama kata kategori.
Amele tulo Nico. Yan Rabinaka.
Babi tu nga tumbuna. Isa I'm coming. I'm coming.
Leps Titonga.
Motorbike.
Isa. Ya bekim na kada nang mata tsuna banua. Kep kau nan lumo mo na silwi kata-kata katsinguri. Kasi nga mo.
Lina tanoa. An Rabinak. John Kumar. Kita mikito sa pa.
Dono.
Iyo. Like hata ka nang dalay binamata